Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. Well, new day, new project, and obviously we are a little late here. Mother's Day has already passed, and of course, we have been celebrating it a little late. So, nevertheless, the special day still remains the special one. So, here I am doing the rangoli for the reception, and this design, it was actually a mix of few stencils put together to create a pattern like this. And this is of course my new junior here, Akansha ma'am, working on this. See this, here again you can see it's like a mathematical pattern of course, because tiles work as a grid for me. एक सिंपल सा बीच में स्टेंसिल को बना के चारों साइड रिपीट कर दिया है. And once you have the circular pattern across the central design, you have this floral S type shape which are repetitively traced around. And obviously I wanted to have it in the monotone shade, but then again as you work along there are so many ideas which keep popping in, just so that the end result remains beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. So this is we trying to do the contrast here. Once after the shades of blue with the acrylic paint was done, I've ensured that the paint is very diluted so that it comes off once the purpose of the event is done. So this is the reception area clearly, so you can see it's a pretty good handsome size for the rangoli. And सामने का ये थोड़ा जो डेस्क है, जो रिसेप्शन डेस्क है, उसके ऊपर भी क्रिएटिव्स लगाए हुए हैं. The purpose was to do the reception area a little brighter. Alright, now we are back at the basement again. This is where the events happen. This is the stage and the backdrop as you can see. अब this again एक सेल्फी कॉर्नर बनाने का प्लान था, बट व्हेन आर्टिस्ट दे वर्क, कई सारे आइडियाज़ तो होते हैं मगर ज़रूरी नहीं है हर आइडिया पॉप करके ब्यूटीफुल लगे. मगर एंड में हमने उस कॉर्नर को भी एलिवेट किया. ये थोड़ा सा वॉक थ्रू था जिसमें कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा क्रिएटिव्स को लगाया गया था, सो दैट इट डजंट लुक ब्लैंक अगेन. So there are a lot of activities which happen in the basement here. It's for the TT table. There's a play area around. There's a music room as well. So just a walkthrough which leads you to the main venue again. Here again, few of my colleagues working on the selfie corner, trying to ensure that it pops out. ये वाला असल में बना नहीं था, इसके बाद हमने absolutely उसको change कर दिया था. And sadly I couldn't take the photograph of that. This again जो पूरा central आपका stage का रहता है. And yes, one of these days I'm going to show you what all I put on the VIP's table. There is of course folders which are put up. Then again some sort of a photo frame wherein we insert the flow of the day. उसमें भी थोड़ा कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. So this is me showcasing the event that we had in our school, a very successful and a happy event, Mother's Day. A lot of emotions are attached here. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and yes, take out the time to like the video, and your feedback and your comments are always appreciated. Thank you. God bless.